Diba ang cute? Super cute. I like it kasi it's easy to carry na. All you have to do is do this. I got this cutesy lanyard for my phone and I'm excited to try. Kay my phone, wala akong try ka ng goon. Tagtan akong cover kaya akong gigamit og pag video. So my phone, wala siya ka ng siya na hawakan ba. So I've decided to get this one and ingani siya. So very cutesy. Look at that. Diba? Ang cute. Gwapa yung design. So, may mutang mag-anak ka din magkapot ka sa phone like this. So, let's see. And, all you have to do is, uy, ligon siya, oh. No, yung quality. So, all you have to do, ay, ang saan mani? Ah, okay. Remove this first. Kaning iyahang flat na kuon. So, imo ibutang diri. Ani, ilusot mo siya dira. Ah, so sa charger, pag mag-charge ka, dili ra siya kuan sa gabal. So, nga na siya, guys. So, ato ang i-connect. Pag-connect nimo, yes, love. There. So, mabutang siya og ingana nimo imong cellphone. So, magkapot ka like this. O, diba? Nanay handle imong phone. There. Ooh. Ang cute. So, dili ka, kuan ba? Kanang, like, for example, maglakaw ka or mag-walking. Like, naka-attach nimo imong phone. Kaya sometimes, so good, especially my phone, medyo heavy siya kay Pro Max. Medyo heavy siya. So, at least, yan, pwede na po nimo yan. Kay ligon kay siya, look. Ah, ligon kayo. Love it. Worth it siya, worth it. And ganahan ko niya. Like, yes! Diba ang cute? Super cute. I like it kasi it's easy to carry na. All you have to do is do this. And then, that. Diba? Very, very useful. Now I realize it. Because before, I do have like katong kanang sulod diri. And now, I have this. And then, it looks durable. Kay look how thick iyahang, kaning iyahang stainless siguro ni. Yeah, and then, cute iyahang design. I like, murag may like parang diamond looks. I like it.